let's not do that, sis. Okay, anyways. 노을 같은 너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a different video from what I usually do. This is going to be what I got in 2020 so far in terms of like K-pop albums, because we're already halfway through the year and yet we're still in quarantine, so I'm just like love that for us, but hopefully everything can get better soon because I seriously want to go out, but until then we're just gonna be chilling. But anyways, I just wanted to film this video today. Like I said, I wanted to see how many albums I got this year so far. And for most of these albums, I actually did unboxings on my TikTok, which, if y'all aren't following me on TikTok, make sure to do so. We love that shameless self-promo. I do a lot of like cringeworthy content on there, so if y'all are interested in that, make sure to check it out because... yeah, anyways, I'm a mess, but what else is new? Yeah, but anyways, the first two albums, because these are both different versions of this album, but I ended up getting Neozone by NCT. This is their second album, like second full album. I believe there was only two versions, but then they released a lot of copies for this album, like a bunch of versions, and I was like, y'all are trying to kill me out here. Like, am I really gonna be spending so much money on that? I don't know, but like, you know, ended up getting two versions, so I love that for me. But yeah, I ended up getting this version, and then you could also change like the front covers. So I put Taeyong for one of them, and then I put Doyoung. You can't really see his face, but yeah. But anyways, like I said, I did unboxings for this album, and I'll probably just include it in the video. Oh my god, are we at Target again? Oh my god. Time to okay. Ooh. Oh my god, daddy. Oh my god, Mr. Star. Oh my god, he looks so good. Excuse me, sir. What the fuck? This is the lyric book, but like, oh my god, beautiful. Oh my god, these stickers are so cute. Oh my god, it's like a flip book or some shit. Oh. And then the poster. And now lastly, the photo cards. Alright, this is the circle one. Alright, as you can see, I was a mess getting this and opening it, but it was such a really nice album. This album in particular is so great. Like, all of the songs on here are just amazing. Like, I could listen to it like every single day or on repeat because it's that good of an album. Also from NCT, this was just released recently, but it is Neozone Punch. So this was the final version of their album. I feel like they just kept releasing versions for this album, but yeah, I believe this is the final one since it says the final round. But yeah, I really like the packaging. I really like the packaging for this album, and like the concept again is like a race car type of thing, which I was like living for. And then the album, like the photo book is hella thick. Like, oh, what goes on, sir? But yeah, this is also an album that was given to me actually by Irma. If you're watching this, I love you. I miss you so much. But yeah, anyway, she gave me this album and I was like, girl. But yeah, this is the Neozone Punch, and I also have yet another unboxing on my TikTok, so let's play that. Y'all, time for another unboxing! And this was sent to me by my friend, and Irma, if you're watching this, I love you! God, this shit is thick. Wow, so beautiful! Yo, this shit pretty, like, wow. Time to look through this bad boy, like. Jesus Christ. Why are you gonna be so pretty for? God, I love him. Alright, time for the reviews. So here's the postcard. The circle one. Alright, Johnny, I see you. And lastly, the photo card. But yeah, overall, a really nice album yet again. And I really like Punch too, so I've been listening to it a lot recently. So
yeah, but a really good album, really nice concept, and yeah. The next thing in here is not like a Korean release, but Monsta X did release their first ever English album, and I was like, alright, and it was at Target, so I was like, bitch, I'm living. We all know that I love going to Target, but like, yeah, they had it, and I was like, girl, I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna get me one.
We out here.
Time to open. What goes on in here? Ooh, what's this?
As you can see, I was a mess. When am I not a mess? But yeah, oh my god, the photos in this album are just beautiful. Like, oh my god, Shonu. He do be get wow, wow, we love. That beautiful. And then this group photo is just wow, aesthetics. We love. But yeah, this was the album that I got at Target, and yeah, I really like this album overall too. So Middle of the Night is a bop. So yeah, if you haven't listened to this album yet, make sure to do so because it's such a great album. So yeah. Next album that I got this year is WayV's Take Over the Moon, and this is the second mini album sequel. So they did release the first two versions and then they released another, so I guess this would be like a repackaged. I really like the packaging. It's like so like shiny. We love that. But like you open it up and like the wow, when do we looking like a snack? A full course meal, but we've been nooses. And also they just came back recently and I'm pretty excited about that. So yeah, and I also pre-ordered that. So I guess you could say that I got that this year as well, but it's not here yet. So anyways, but I ended up getting this album and just the photo book is just, come on now, like, he do be looking good though, like, what? This is just, this, yeah. Exactly how I'm feeling right now. Like, seriously, an amazing photo book, and just the songs overall are really great.
Time for another unboxing. But if y'all were wondering, it's Take Over the Moon by WayV, and it's the second mini album sequel. Hello. Alright, so we open it. Holy fuck. Why they gotta look so good for it? Sorry. I wanna cry because so it looks like the photo cards in here are swollen. Oh wow! And then I see the photo card right there, and this is what I got.
But yeah, pretty much that was my reaction to it. It was such a good album and I really loved this. So yeah, I'm really glad that I ended up getting this and I can't wait for the new one to arrive because I'll most likely film an unboxing on my TikTok. So make sure to check that out. Alright, so the next album that I ended up getting is a really unique album, like in terms of the packaging, I think. But this is TXT's The Dream Chapter Eternity, and this is their recent album, so I was like, girl. But it comes with like a little locket because the album itself is locked. So it has like a little key, which is like really cool. So let me go ahead and open it for you guys because like, yeah, but I'm pretty sure y'all have seen unboxings of this album already, but you know, it's still amazing to me that they decided to do this type of thing for their album. So I was like, bro, what goes on? But anyways, you get these little keys, and I hope I don't lose these because then I wouldn't be able to open my album. But basically, you would just like open it like so. Oh my god, where's, how do I open this? Oh, there you go. So you open it up like this, and the lock and keys are out, and now you can open up the album. So this is just a really unique packaging. I really like it, like, wow. And then we're on Subin. I love him. I love Subin. If y'all didn't know, he's my bias in TXT, so yeah, but we ended up getting this album as well. And yeah, the group photos are amazing. This whole album is amazing too. Like, damn. Ugh. Yeonjun really be out here with the yellow hair, and I was living for it. So,
alright, y'all, time for another unboxing! Oh my god! Oh my god! They also gave me these little transparent cards. But if y'all didn't know already, it's TXT's album. Also, the album comes with these keys to like open it up, which is like, what? So you basically try to open it like... Or I got it open, but like, wow. I'm seriously living for Bongai's hair color. Like, wow. Why my baby gotta be so soft? Is that a visual? A bitch might actually be great. Living. Now photo card time. This is who I got first. So cute. And then the transparent card.
Yeah, I ended up getting this album, but yeah, this is the Dream Chapter Eternity, and yeah, we love. Next album that I got this year is actually the first album that I got this year, which would be ATEEZ's Treasure Epilogue, and this is Action to Answer. So this is one of the versions, but I really like the color red, so I decided to get it. There was also the color blue, but I chose the red version. So yeah, it just comes out like this, and we really like the packaging. And it's basically the same packaging as they've done with the rest of their albums recently, so living for that.
So like a bitch got time to open this bitch up. Ooh.
Now, if we can get it open. Oh, okay. Bitch, go off. Bitch. Oh my god, look at. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now time for the photo cards. So, like, why is it so zoomed in? Who? Oh, he look good. Okay, well, also, can we just talk about, like, oh my god.
As you can see, I was not okay, but I feel like I wasn't okay for any of these unboxings. But anyways, yeah, so the photo book is just amazing. Like, look at Songhwa be looking like a real meal, full course meal. Wooyang. Okay, so yeah, I ended up getting this album, and I really like the concept photos. So yeah, I'm really excited that I got this. And then it also comes with the little postcards and stuff, which I feel like I should hang up. I don't know, because they're just like sitting in my album, so I'm like, I don't know if I should hang these up. But I ended up getting these along with the album. But yeah, I also got this, and I'm really happy and I'm really excited for their comeback. And also, I was supposed to see them this year, but because Miss Rona happened and got in the way, I couldn't see them for their first tour. So hopefully everything will get announced again soon and that I'll be able to go. But yeah, as of right now, I wasn't able to go to the concert, but it's all gonna good. But yeah, anyways, I ended up getting ATEEZ's album, and yeah, we love. Next thing I got is ASTRO's Gateway, the 7th mini album, and this is a really nice album. I really like the photos for this, and look at this album. It's so like holographic. Like, we love.
Alright, y'all, time for an unboxing! Y'all, I got these cute ass freebies! But if y'all were wondering, it's ASTRO's new album, Gateway. Oh my god!
With my small ass scissors.
In all of its glory. Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So you get like a random member poster in here, and like you get this like accordion like thing, and like wow, visuals! Wow, Moonbin! I just want to know why he grew up so much. Yo, he really out here. What? All right, time for the photo cards. This is who I got for the first one. Oh wow! And lastly.
Alright, that was my unboxing. I was not okay, clearly. But anyways, yeah, we really like the photos. Like, look at Jin Jin. He looking good. Okay, sir. Like, oh. And can we talk about how Sana has grown up so much? Like, bitch, when they first debuted, he was such a baby, and now it's just like, bitch, you grown. Oh, what goes on? But yeah, like, amazing. I love this album, and Moonbin just be looking so good. So the second to last album that I got this year is NCT Dream's Reload. This was their recent comeback, and this era was so good. Like, I seriously was living for it. Like, the visuals and everything was just like on point. But if y'all were wondering, I ordered this Jamin poster on a website. I'll probably link it down below. But he do be looking real good. And I did get Jamin for my individual poster. Like, he do be looking good. And you know the sad thing about this is that I did not do an unboxing for it on my TikTok. So, yeah. But yeah, this album was really, really nice. I was looking for the concept. Oh my god, Headshot. Yes, we love. But yeah, it's just really good. Sir. Oh my god, okay. But yeah, I ended up getting NCT Dream's Reload, and I'm really happy that I ended up getting this, so yeah. And lastly, the piece de resistance, I guess you could say. The last album that I ended up getting this year was, oh my god, if I can carry all of them, are all 4 versions of Map of the Soul 7. We love being trash. Anyways, yeah, I was really happy because I ended up getting these all at Target. I went the day of. I'll show you footage, but I already did like an unboxing of this on my channel, but let's go ahead and relive it. So here are some clips from that moment. Aside from the 3 versions that I got earlier, and look at how cute they are. Oh, I love it. It's got more. And I ordered these off of Amazon, so they're all like random. And you know, version 3, I did not have version 3, but Amazon really out here and gave me 2 copies of version 3. So I guess we're just gonna have to open both of them up. All right, so this is version 3. Let's go ahead and open it up. You can't really see anything here. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, y'all playing me. Where is it? I see a little snippet of it, and I don't want to look at it because I think I'm gonna cry. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Why am I so blessed? It's Jin. As you can see, I was so excited to get them at Target because, yeah, they had it at the front of the store, and I was like, girl, y'all really out here. So I ended up getting my albums at Target, and then I bought a few more copies because I'm trash. Anyways, but we love this album. This is probably one of my favorite albums this year, and a bitch is still sad
But I wasn't able to see them again as well because Miss Rona chose to get in the way.
Yeah, I really like this album. This is so huge too. Like, I didn't expect it to be as big as my head, but it clearly is. But yeah, we really love it, and yeah. So that is pretty much all the albums that I ended up getting this year, guys. Like, I probably will still be getting more because we do be in quarantine, and when in quarantine, we do be treating ourselves and be spending so much money on useless things. Not that these aren't useless, but you know, it do be like that. But yeah, like, I don't know how many more albums I plan on getting during this quarantine, but clearly with how much time we still have until quarantine ends, looks like I still gonna be spending and my wallet gonna be crying. So yeah. But yeah, that is pretty much all the albums that I got this year, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please do let me know. Also, if you guys have any video ideas, let me know as well because I'm low-key running out of ideas. Like, yeah, so if you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know down below in the comment section and I will try to do them. But yeah, that is pretty much all. Make sure to follow me on my social media. Like I said, follow me on my TikTok. I'm mainly active on there and my Instagram. But on my TikTok is where all the cringeworthy content is at. So like I said, if y'all are interested in seeing that, make sure to do so. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed and I hope that you all are staying safe. And yeah, I will just see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye friends!